Good morning, student. Today we discuss trends in population growth in India. This topic comes under population, chapter 1, volume 2. So here we write trends in population growth. Now we talking about Indian respect. So here we write India. Now student, in India we found 4 phases in population growth. So these 4 phases are, first one is stagnant growth phase. Now this growth phase started from 1911 to 1921. So the period is 1911 to 1921. So during this decade we found the population growth rate in India was irregular, and in the decade 1911 to 1921 we found decrease in population growth, and growth rate was 7.70 lakh. So I'm just writing all the importance point under this, that means stagnant growth phase. So here first one is growth was irregular. Okay, so we found population growth was irregular in this period, that means 1911 to 1921. Then we found that during this period, so population growth was decreased at the rate of, so population growth declining at the rate of 7.70 lakh. So this was the important point here. Now there is we found that this the main reason, that means that population growth rate declining at the rate of 7.70 lakh during this period, due to the large number of death of population by epidemic. So we write obviously this point here, that large population die due to epidemic. Okay, epidemic means malaria, cholera, and plague on during this time was much bigger problem during this period. So due to this diseases, so large number of death increases during this period. So this is the main reason that on that period growth rate was largely declined. Okay, so these are the main point that we found in 1911 to 1921. So here I'm just going to write another point, the reason. What is the actual reason for that means stagnant growth phase, that means during this period what is the actual reason for decreasing population growth? So first one is poor health. First one is poor health. Second one is mass illiteracy. And third one is inefficient distribution system. Okay. Okay, so these are the main reason, we can say that these are the main reason, okay, main reason for the declining population growth rate during 1911 to 1921. So now next we talk about steady growth phase. So our second phase which we found in Indian population growth, that means in trends in population growth. So our second phase is steady growth phase. Okay, now this steady growth phase started, or we can say the period is 1921 to 1951. So this is the actual period when we found steady growth phase in India. So now what happened in this period? During this period, population growth rate rising, we can say population growth rate started rising steadily, and the big reason is a rapid fall in death rate. So we can say that population rising steadily. Okay, now the big reason is rapid. Now we talk about reasons. Okay, now reasons is, first one is rapid fall in death rate. Okay, so this is the main reason, that rapid fall in death rate we found in 1921 to 1951 during this period. Now what is the reason? That means rapid fall in death rate when we found such type of characteristics in India. With the improvement health and medical facility, this type of characteristics decline death rate in India. So we can simply say that health facility and health and medical facility, when improved in India, we found that rapid fall in death rate. Such type of some epidemics like cholera, then plague, then malaria. So such type of we can say such type of epidemic are now under check, or we can brought under control. Okay, such type of epidemics during the improvement of health facility in this period. Another point is that during this period we found that with the improvement means of transport system. Okay, so if transport system is good, obviously it giving rise to different types of facility during this period, and that obviously rise in the growth rate of population. And third one is spread of education. So spread of education obviously gives the improvement in sanitization and hygiene matter. So it obviously check the control, we can say, in the different types of diseases. So all this point giving rise to steadily, we can say steadily increasing in population growth in 1921 to 1951. Now we talk about our third point. Our third point is rapid growth phase. So our third point is rapid growth phase. Now rapid growth phase we found in 1951 to 1981. So this is the period where we found population growth rate, we can say, higher. So during this period, that means 1951 to 1981, a higher growth rate of Indian population that we found, and the population of India rising double to 3 decades. Okay, that means it was just unimaginable in this period. So what is the reason behind it? The first reason is rapid fall in death rate. On the other hand, we found high birth rate. So this is the actual main characteristics during this period, that rapid fall in death rate, but on the other hand we found high birth rate. But in our second phase, that means in stagnant growth phase, we found a rapid fall in death rate, but there was no sign in increasing birth rate. But in this phase we found death rate obviously in decreasing position, but we found high birth rate. So such type of characteristics giving rise to we can say higher growth rate of population during this period, that means 1951 to 1981. Obviously we can say what is the reason. Reason is with the improvement of health and medical facility. Whatever we found in second phase, it was much or quite better than second phase in we can say in third phase. So this is the main reason that with improvement health facility we found higher growth rate in this during this period. Now we talk about our last phase, that means declining growth phase. Now fourth one is declining growth phase. Okay, and it was started from 1981 to 2001 and from 2001 to 2011. So this is the period where we found declining growth phase. Now during this period, total population of India increased substantially too. But during this period, we can say this is the most important point, that during this period, that means during this period, that means 1981 to 1991, we found 160 million pupil added. Okay, 160 million pupil added to it, and another 180 million pupil added in next decade. Okay, so it was quite clear, however, the growth rate of population declining. So this is a good sign. So this is a good sign of for the success of family welfare program. So what happened in this period? The main characteristic is birth rate, death rate is declining, but birth rate also declining, or we can say fall steeply. So this is a most important point that we found in this phase, that death rate declining, but birth rate fall very steeply. Okay, so we can say that birth rate decline about 34 per thousand in 1981 and 21.4 per thousand in 2011. So it was clear that on this during this period death rate also declined, but birth rate fall steeply. So this is because of we can say all Indians are follow the good family welfare norms, and there was obviously increase the average age of marriage. So these are the all reasons we found in this, that means in during 1981 to 2000 and 2001 to 2011, that we found the population growth rate somewhere declining. So it is a, we can say that is a good sign. So that's all for today. Thank you.